So we are in the car, and there's Caitlin, and there's Olivia.
Okay.
Look at this,
Guys.
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games.
Oh yeah. We won our first game, lost our second game, and won our last game.
We won the second game because those guys were jerks.
Yeah. They were tough.
They were good.
They were not that good.
I got mad.
We just went to Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. I had a taco salad.
I had a Dorito taco thingy. It was really good. And Olivia spilled all her fruit punch on it. Actually, it missed the Dorito and hit in my hand. It was funny.
Would you let me talk? Oh.
No.
I had a Crunch Wrap Supreme. What did you have, Olivia? You had a taco, then you tore it apart and gave it to Brianna.
Mine.
Yeah, it was good.
All the old people were staring at us like,
Oh, I found it.
they were like,
It's okay.
they're like, and we're just like,
There's these hot guys
We're like-
there, and Abby
and we're like, hey.
I was trying to wave. They were just like,
Yeah, we were like, and they're like, who? Me? Yeah, you. Aww. Oh, that's not a baby. Okay.
What?
Now we're going back to the tournaments to get our medals. I think we got second place.
We
probably
did
got
get second place.
We did. Stop touching my head. You're like, ow, my shoulder. Okay, yeah, these are our shirts. It's from our camp. Yeah. Titans.
that was weird.
The sign just said. That sign just.
Titans.
No, there's a sign that said, "Do you like your job? We
do."
like ours."
Show us. Willow tree, flowers, and gifts.
My hair looks bad.
Hello, Olivia, Gabby.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Rip it.
Caitlin.
No, separate it.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't
Olivia.
damage
What?
your thing.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.